Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing hosting a domain coupon code video. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can get up to 95% discount from Hostinger with a special free domain. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. There is exclusive discount link for my audience. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you may see a summer sale running right now, but I want you guys to make sure that you get up to 95% discount including a free domain. So just follow this tutorial. Again, make sure to click on the link in the description. The first thing I like regarding Hostinger is their 30 days money back guarantee, which is very good. You are getting 30 days money back guarantee. If you scroll below, you may see around 71,000 reviews on Trustpilot. Now, Trustpilot is an industry's independent review-based website. Let's see what people are saying regarding Hostinger on Trustpilot. So let's see some of the recent reviews. Okay, 5-star. 5-star, 5-star. So let's see, this is the review. I built my first website using Hostinger about 4 years ago. The website was easy to build, but the tutorials walked me through it and I got it online. I have built a few since and now playing with application building and prototyping. Hostinger's offerings are absolutely valid in variety, ease of deployment, and absolute value for the dollar. Thank you to Hostinger for being the top tier when I needed you most and for keeping it reasonable for the beginner. You have got a customer for life with me. Okay, you can see this is my own similar review as well with Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, never had to feel any issue. So which is why I'm here with exclusive discount offer for my audience from Hostinger with a free domain. So in case if you want to use AI, Hostinger has Hostinger Horizon, which is going to create a website or app. You just have to give the command, it's automatically going to create a website or app for you. And if you want to create a WordPress website like my own blog, you can use build a WordPress feature to use it. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger service. So it's a free website migration service, and the good thing is that whether you have single website or 100 website, Hostinger team is going to manage all, and that too free of cost. With the competitors charge $2,700 annually, Hostinger offer you all this completely free of cost. And this is another free thing from Hostinger if you click on the link in the description. Right now, 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company, and even I'm using it, and I want you guys to be a part of this family. So what you have to do is simply directly move on to the plans. Now the beauty is that all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee. You can cancel anytime. All of the plans have 24/7 support. If you ask me which plan I'm using the unlimited plan, also known as the business plan. The free domain is coming with all of the plan. You can see around here, the domain is free for the first year for all of the plans. You can choose any plan with your convenience. But if you want the most possible discount, choose unlimited plan. It's right now 80%, but I'm going to make it 95% for you guys to, again, make sure to click on the link in the description and simply select the choose plan. Again, you can choose any plan as per your convenience. But this is the plan, unlimited and the business, also known as business plan, which I am using it and I've been very happy. Once you select the choose plan, now you land it over here. Hostinger offer you by default 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24, and 48 months. But these are special limited time deals, and I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it. So my recommendation is to opt for the 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money. You're also getting the free domain for the first year over here. So you can claim your free domain right now by writing over here, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. I'm going to select it over here. This is just an example over here. In order to claim a free domain, I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain coming with me. So you can see you got 80% off over here, plus you're also getting free domain plus daily backup. Press free mailboxes and select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video, along with a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. So you can see around over here that your price got a further 10% discount. So 80% plus 10% is 90%, plus add daily backup, free domain, and free mailboxes. It's more than 95% saving for you. And these are limited time special deals. So I want you guys to take the advantage of it. After this, you can see 30 days money back guarantee is valid. Simply select the continue, and you may be asked to log in at Hostinger, need to create a new account at Hostinger, or synchronize with the Google account to come on to the last part. And since I'm already logged in, which is why I will directly move on to the last part, and that is writing your billing details over here. My billing details are being added. Now writing my credit card details. I can also opt, let's say if I do not want to get my credit card, I can pay via PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay China, Alipay Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. There are so many payment methods to choose on. But before you do your payment, just cross check over here. Everything is fine. Everything, your order summary is fine. The discount is loaded. Your free domain is over here. The plan is over here. And write your credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And once you do it, within few minutes you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. Just for a revision, I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years. My experience so far is very good, which is I highly recommend you to enjoy this amazing limited time free domain plus coupon code deal. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger with up to 95% discount. Good luck.